Hi, this is Hunter from Interscan, and this is a quick tutorial on the GASD 8000 portable gas analyzer. Inside the package, you'll find the analyzer, the sample probe assembly, and the USB charging cable. Before use, confirm all components are present and undamaged. Before the first use, fully charge your GASD 8000. Connect the mini USB cable to the front panel of the analyzer, then plug the charger into a wall outlet. Allow the unit to charge until the battery indicator reads 100%. Charging before use helps stabilize the sensor and ensures accurate readings. To connect the sampling probe, press down on the locking tab at the inlet fitting. Insert the probe tubing until it clicks into place. Always make sure that the outlet port remains clear and unobstructed during operation. Press the green power button to turn the analyzer on. The main menu will appear once the unit has booted. Again, check the battery indicator to confirm sufficient charge before continuing. From the main menu, use the arrow keys to highlight Measure. Then press the right arrow to select it. This begins the measurement startup sequence. After entering measurement mode, the analyzer enters sensor stabilization. A countdown timer appears while the sensor stabilizes after power up. For best results, allow this process to complete before proceeding. When stabilization is complete, the instrument enters off mode. In this mode, the pump is off and the analyzer is idle. Press Enter to switch to on mode and begin active sampling. If you listen closely, you can hear the pump start. Before sampling, the analyzer must be zeroed in clean ambient air. While in on mode, press the up arrow to activate zero mode. Press Enter to set zero. The reading will gradually move towards zero as the instrument calibrates. You should see positive, non-zero values fluctuating and not just all zeros continuously. Otherwise, your zero will be set too low, and when sampling, you may get lower than true values. When complete, press the down arrow to exit zero mode. With the analyzer zeroed, sampling can begin. Direct the probe toward the area being tested. Gas concentration values update in real time on the display. The graph view can be accessed using the right arrow button if desired. When sampling is complete, press the stop button once. This returns the instrument to off mode and stops the pump. To power down the analyzer, return to the main menu by pressing the stop button again. Press the power button and confirm shutdown using the right arrow. The instrument will safely turn off. With those simple instructions, you are ready to start detecting, and the GASD will sound an audible alarm if the gas you are detecting is present. Be sure to check your manual for sensor replacement times. And if you have any questions about the device, please give us a call or send us a message. Again, I'm Hunter with Interscan. Thanks for watching.